All right, today take a look at the M300 Portable Multifunction High Power Flashlight. So this is a 2-pack. It does come with a charging cable. It is USB-A to USB-C. And then these are the lights. So you can see we do have a clip on the top, so if you want to, you can put that on your baseball cap or just throw it on your pocket. We got the charging port right here. You can see that is the USB-C charging port. And then here's the power button. So one press doesn't do anything. 2 presses turns on the light. And that is surprisingly bright for such a tiny little thing. So we got a couple different modes. And it remembers the last setting. So that's really good. That's one of the things that I always look for with a flashlight, is I don't want this thing to, switch modes on me every time I turn it on. If I'm working on something and it starts strobing on me as soon as I turn the light on, that's going to be really annoying. So I like that it remembers what we were using. And then we've got these LEDs right here. There we go. So we got that, which is just kind of cool. You can just kind of set this thing down and use it as kind of like a portable lantern. Got our strobe. And then this is the UV light. So that's very cool. So if you want to go searching for scorpions or something like that, you can use that. And then we got a red light. So if you want to save your night vision, you can use this. So essentially, if it's dark out and you need a little bit extra light, you can use this red light to see. And then when you shut it off, you'll still be able to see fairly well. If you try to do the same thing with the white light, then you'll be temporarily blinded when you turn it off. You got a flashing red light. Oh, that's cool. Almost like a police light. And then back to the full-on light. Cool. A lot of functionality out of a little light. So the buttons on these things are a bit stiff. That's just one of those things you got to get used to. But I do like that they got 2 of them in here. I mean, like, this is a lot of value in one little pack. Yeah, that is pretty awesome. On the back, they got a little keychain loop, and they also have a magnet. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's strong enough to hold it up. So overall, very nice set of flashlights.